Hello everybody, Jean back with you. This time we're back on Mars looking at additional disks and blocks in Argyre as well as an OSIRIS-REx Bennu update. The high-rise photograph we're analyzing is called Sample of Circum-Argyre Region, and as always I'll include links to the reference material in the description below. This photograph was acquired on the 9th of June 2007 at a resolution of 25 centimeters per pixel, and we'll be checking out anomalies I've found in the JP2 black and white map projected file. There's a crop from the low-res JPEG, and we'll be taking a look at some of the anomalies found throughout this region. This photograph was taken in a region 56.68 degrees south, 302.5 degrees east, and it's located right there in the small valley, the dark material visible right there. And the photograph we're analyzing is this red rectangle, and I speculate some liquid or water flowed through this region out of Argyre, Planitia in the distant past. So the first anomaly looking at is located right there in the center of the screen. So this object is about 12 meters across, about 12 meters tall, and it's got a really strange large protrusion on the top. You can check this larger block on the bottom has got some symmetry and geometry to it, but straight edges, equal angles on either side, and then this strange sort of circular dome-like protrusion on the center. Might have even had a round dome on the top, and a piece broke off. All pure speculation, of course. Then this bright block located there in the center, about 12 by 12 meters as well. And then around this region we've got a lot of these megalithic blocks and slabs with protrusions and knobs on them. So do check those out when you get a chance as well. So this up close we can see also geometry and symmetry in this shape, with smooth flat sides to it, really bright shiny surface on top, and then check at these straight edges there as well. Bit of a similar angle on this side. Could this be some type of structure perhaps? Another one of these semicircular dome-like features. This one's about 14 meters in diameter. Up close we can see a little pyramidal feature in the center, this rounded disc-like part on the one side, and it looks as if these may have been part of it, broken off and then shifted slightly to the side. So it's got a convex shape to it. Another disc-like object there, also about 12 meters in diameter, and up close little pyramidal feature off to the one side there. Check out the rounded shape to it. And then another disc-like object right there, also about 12 meters in diameter. Close we can see a rounded edge, also on the center there, what looks like a little dome-like feature, so like a disc-shaped object, convex in shape. Check at this weird part sticking out of that rectangular opening there. So let's check these anomalies out in Google Mars, and we go down to the southern hemisphere. We have discovered numerous anomalies over the past couple of months. We're checking out this region, There's a brief overview of the objects found there. And then briefly we check out some of the others. More disc-like objects. This was also featured in my second last video. So about 12 meters in diameter. Another disc-like object there. Wedge. One of these rounded parts, and next to it like a rectangular part as well. There's another one. And then more of these disc-like objects arranged next to one another in a row. And let's go back to this photograph. Sample of Circum-Argyre Region. And let's switch on the context camera image. Check out the topography. Just want to go up to a nice elevation. And then get a good zoom of the topography. As I say, this looks like a valley in which some liquid or water may have flowed through in the distant past. So there on the horizon we can see the hills and mountains of Argyre Planitia, and then surrounding this valley got a couple of mountain ranges. And then in space news, OSIRIS-REx and the Bennu asteroid. This is a very interesting feature that my friend MarsForm Barnsey found, and informed me to take a look. We'll have a look at a 3D animation that I did. I'll include a link to his channel below. Also does fantastic work researching anomalies on Mars. So do check that out and give him a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't already. So from the article, the stereo pair was created by stereo image processing scientists Dr. Brian May, who's also the lead guitarist of the rock band Queen. I thought this is quite awesome. And Claudia Manzoni. In January, May and Mazzoni formally joined NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission science team as collaborators to create stereoscopic data products, which will be used by the team while selecting a sample collection site on Bennu. And then to quote May, I'm proud to have been adopted as a collaborator on the OSIRIS-REx team, along with my colleague Claudia Manzoni. Our passion is producing stereoscopic 3D images from the astounding data that OSIRIS-REx mission has been collecting. And there's that 3D animation I created of this object. Obviously over here they've rotated the image 180 degrees clockwise, but check out the structure of this so-called boulder according to NASA. This is a 52 meter across boulder, as NASA claims, right there. But check out the protrusion or knob on the top. And it also looks as if this is the top of a structure with a covering on top. Almost looks like a square mushroom. Anyways, it's good to see Brian May that joined the team, and we're looking forward to some great work from the team. So with that said, thanks for watching. I hope you found it informative. I'll be back with more. See you then. Bye bye for now.